Hey there, Raiders! Here's the basics of how to operate the Trampler in Sand Raiders of Sophie. If you skipped the in-game tutorial or prefer seeing things demonstrated instead of reading text, this guide will quickly show you how to control your Trampler. First, climb aboard your Trampler and locate the reactor. Before you can drive anything, you'll need to power it on. Approach the reactor and press and hold the F key on the switch to activate it. Once the reactor is running, head back to the control panel and take command of your Trampler. Press W once to start moving forward, and press it again to increase your speed. Use A and D to turn left or right. You can press either key a second time to increase your turning speed. Your Trampler can also move sideways using Q and E, allowing you to strafe like a crab. Combining these controls lets you perform more precise maneuvers while navigating the battlefield. You don't have to stay at the control panel the entire time. Once your Trampler is moving, you can leave the controls to man the cannons, sort loot, make repairs, or perform other tasks. Simply return to the control panel whenever you need to adjust your course. To help with navigation, you'll find a built-in map to the left of the control panel. There are also a few extra controls worth knowing. Hold R to sound the Trampler's horn, which can be used to communicate with nearby players. Press G to toggle your Trampler's lights, including both the headlights and interior lighting. Spend some time experimenting with these controls, and you'll quickly get comfortable commanding your mechanized fortress. And that's all of it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by, and see you in the next side quest.